Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial mission is how to have Microsoft Word read your text aloud or text to speech. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is to select the review tab up at the top, and you want to select where it says read aloud right above the speech. Go ahead and left click on that.
Make sure to turn on automatic updates in Windows Update to keep Windows, Microsoft Office, and other Microsoft applications up to date. Turn on automatic updates for non-Microsoft software as well, especially browsers, Adobe Acrobat Reader, and other apps you regularly use.
And it should begin playing the audio, so make sure your sound is turned up on your computer and you should hear it start speaking out the text on the screen. So pretty straightforward process here guys, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.